Hello everyone, Adrienne here, and today I'm coming to you with something I am so excited about. It is my first Boxy Charm unveiling, and this is the January Boxy Charm box. I know it's super late. I've never gotten a Boxy Charm before. I just decided in the middle of January that I was going to do this. I had thought about it earlier throughout last year whether or not I was going to do it. I had not been that on board with the idea of a subscription box. I was feeling like I had too many products in my stash, and a lot of the subscription boxes that I saw, I thought, I cannot imagine being so overloaded with all the products I have and paying somebody to drop random stuff off at my house that I would have to figure out what I was going to do with it. I envisioned that most of the stuff would be like junk to me and that I wouldn't want it. And so some of the boxes that I have seen, not saying Boxy Charm, and I don't want to name any names because I may end up subscribing to some of those boxes in the future, or maybe they'll get better, but some of the stuff I thought, this looks like junk and I don't want it. But what really made me decide that I wanted to go ahead and subscribe to Boxy Charm is because I'm trying to really watch the things that I take into my collection this year, and I know that sounds like an oxymoron. Like, why would you get some random subscription box if you're trying to watch what you're taking in? That is the things that I go out and buy on a regular basis. I don't want to totally lose touch with all the newer releases and different things like that that I may have never heard of, or may never try, and miss some awesome product that I could be reviewing for you guys. So I thought, and if you haven't seen my video that I just recently posted, my Sephora 2019 update, will I buy from them or not, I'm going to post a link to that up here. You'll want to check that out. But since I feel the way I feel about Sephora, I figured I better have some alternative route to get some of the products that I might want to pick up from them another way. But without further ado, I am going to show you guys the Boxy Charm January box, which I'm sure you already have seen this. Like, I'm way late. This will be going up the last week of January. I just got my box like 2 days ago. And so this one, the theme of it is breaking the ice, and this is a little postcard that came in with it, and it tells on the back of it what it's got. I probably won't be able to read any of this stuff unless I put my glasses on, and I've got some more stuff to film, so I really don't want to mess my makeup up, but I'm going to show you what the products look like in the inside of the box and how they pack it with a nice styrofoam to protect the products. But these are the products that I got in my box, and I got a Grand Lash, the company Grand Lash. It is, I can't see if this is coming into focus or not. Put my hand behind it so it'll come into focus and maybe you can read the label. Maybe not. The Grand Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. So I am really excited to have a brand new mascara to try. If you guys have been watching me, especially over the last month, you will know that I have been having some problems with my OG mascara, and I'm on a mascara hunt, and in my best and worst of January, coming up the first week or so of February, you will hear how that's going with some of the products, and hopefully I can add this to it and get a good idea of what's going on with this mascara. And also, I'm quite familiar with the Grand products. They are a line that when I ran a skincare center, I carried their products. So this particular mascara wasn't available then. I didn't have this one, but one of their other ones I used to really like a bunch. So I'm excited to have this. And I know they have some really good lash growth serum. So maybe I'll start using that stuff again, and maybe we can add that to the castor oil and figure out how to get my natural lashes to grow. Even though I wear a lot of falsies, I would like nice lashes on an everyday today basis. But that was one of the products I was excited to get. And the second one that I'm going to say is the Wander Trip for Two Blush and Bronze Duo. I did go ahead and open the end of this box. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show it to you. This is what the outer packaging looks like. It feels really nice and sturdy and like a good quality, heavy weighted palette. So I like that about it. And it's got a nice size mirror in it. Looks like that. I won't blind you with it. And the color, let's see if I can read it. Daiquiri and Tulum are the colors. That's the blush, and obviously this is the bronzer. This palette, this is the one that I was hoping that I would get in my box, because I think there's one that was offered that was lighter. I'm really on the fence as to whether or not I'm going to keep this. I'm not sure that the pop of color in this blush is as bright as I want it to be. And this bronzer doesn't quite look like it's going to be dark enough for my skin tone. So I hate to ruin a product that I could put in a giveaway, because this seems like a really good quality product. So I think I might be putting this in the stash for my 500. I haven't decided if I'm going to do a 500 subscriber, or I know for sure I'll do a 1000K giveaway, but that might go in there just because I don't think it's going to work for my complexion. And here's another product that came in the box that I don't think is going to work for my complexion, and it's the Pretty Vulgar. Wow, what a name for a company. It's a concealer, and I'm not going to be able to see what the name is of this color, but you can already tell looking at it, even as a brightening shade, this is going to be too light for my complexion. So this is definitely going to go in a giveaway box. And maybe I will try to categorize like some of my giveaway products by different skin tones, so that way the winners, I can find out by skin tone which box is going to be better for them, because I feel like those are two products that could work in the same box for a person. And this is one of the products that I was most excited to get my hands on, and it is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I'd gotten the avocado sleeping mask a year ago, and I really like it a lot. I wasn't planning on purchasing this one myself because they are kind of pricey. And I don't know why I didn't want to give this one a try. I think I didn't read the description of what it was supposed to do. Once I heard the description of what it's supposed to do, and that it's an exfoliating mask with glycolics in it, I really decided that I wanted this. So I'm excited to have this Glow Recipe mask, and I will be giving you guys an update on some skincare and my routine and what I'm using for mask, and honestly do a review on that avocado Glow Recipe mask also. So I'm happy to have that one. And the last thing I got is a palette, and it is the Ace Beauté palette. This is what the packaging looks like. Their boxes and packaging are so gorgeous. I love this type of design. I like when you get the curtains or whatever you call the artwork that people hang the fabric up on their walls that look like this. So this is really pretty. And the actual palette looks exactly like it. And this is the Vintage Dawn palette. I'm going to go ahead and open it so you can see it. Nice size mirror in there. I was so excited. I'm going to turn it upside down so I'm not blinding you. The other palette that they were offering, and I don't even know what it's called, I thought that one was gorgeous too, but I have so many berry rose tone palettes that I was really hoping that I would get this one. So when I got this one with all these grungy colors in here, I was so ecstatic. And I can't wait to try this out. I have two other Ace Beauté palettes, so I'm glad to have another one to add to the collection. And these colors are beautiful, so I can't wait to get into this. I was so excited to come to you guys and let you know that I'd signed up for BoxyCharm, and that this is going to be a new series on my channel that I didn't take the time to go ahead and look everything up. I will put the prices to stuff up on the screen because I have no idea what all these products total, but I'm positive that they're more than $25. I'm sure this Ace Beauté palette alone is worth more than $25, and this mascara is probably at least $15 to $18, if not $20 in itself. And the blush bronzer duo, that one is probably more than a $25 product also. And then even with me giving away the blush duo and the Pretty Vulgar concealer, all this stuff that I'm keeping, the Glow Recipe mask, which I'm sure is more than $25, all that with the mascara, these three things here that I'm going to keep, I'm pretty sure that I got more than my money's worth. But I will let you know on the screen what the total of all these products are once I add them up, but I'm really excited to have this. And not only did I commit to 6 months of the BoxyCharm, but I also signed up for the, what is it, the Boxy Premium. I'm going to get the premium. I'm on the wait list for that, and the Luxe Box. So all three of the things that they offer, I am waitlisted for those other 2 items. So hopefully in February, I'll find out if I get pulled off the wait list and get those boxes. But I wanted to give the subscription boxes a try and not be judgmental about something and have opinions about things that I haven't even tried, because I just thought that they were kind of silly, and why would I need to have all that stuff brought into my house? But I'm happy to be trying some new things. And plus I find that I get stuck on eyeshadow palettes and too stuck in my box and won't reach out and try some other great products like the skincare, and probably never would have really thought about picking up that mascara. So this is going to add some things to my collection that I wouldn't have otherwise. But I don't really understand how everything with BoxyCharm does work, but they did give me some code numbers that you guys can use. I don't know if I get, like, I think I get BoxyCharm points on it or something if you use my code to sign up for it. I don't make money off of it, I know that, but I think I do get some type of reward points that I can use towards purchasing more products later on down the road. So I will leave the codes if you decide that BoxyCharm is something you want down in my description box. But I'm so excited to have this, and I cannot wait to tell you guys how these products worked out and do some looks with that eyeshadow palette. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. You'll also want to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so YouTube notifies you every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys soon.